but we're never gonna survive unless we are a little crazy. No, we're never gonna survive unless we get a little crazy. I see you, my friend, and touch your face again. Miracles will happen as we dream. But we're never gonna survive unless we have a little crazy. No, we're never gonna survive. Walking through my head, one of them's got a gun, shoot the other one, and get together, they were friends at school.
Huckleberry bald. Got my antenna set up, got the dogs out. It's not actually too cold, a little windy, but 360-degree view. Beautiful. Now, I said Max Patch has got one of the most beautiful balds around the Smokies. I may have been wrong. This is pretty dang cool. Mighty pretty. But I'm set up. See if I can make some contacts. See who I can chat with. Talk to you guys in a bit.